Have you ever wondered why some trucks are still running strong after 300,000 miles while long before they hit 150,000? The answer isn't always 50,000. The answer, it isn't towing capacity, and it definitely isn't the price tag. In fact, one of the most reliable trucks ever built isn't the most expensive or the most luxurious. It's a truck that has earned the trust of millions of Americans by doing one thing incredibly well, lasting for years. So before you buy your next pickup, make sure you stay until the end, because the number one truck on this list has become legendary for surviving hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. And chances are, it's not the truck you're expecting. Let's get started. When it comes to buying a truck, reliability matters more than almost anything else. A reliable truck saves you thousands of dollars in repairs, keeps its value for years, and gives you confidence whether you're driving to work, towing a trailer, or heading off-road. For this list, we're looking at real-world reliability, long-term owner experiences, maintenance history, resale value, and the reputation each truck has earned over time. Starting at number 5, the Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger doesn't always get the same attention as larger full-size pickups, but that's exactly why it deserves more credit. Over the years, the Ranger has quietly built a reputation as one of the most dependable mid-sized trucks on the road. Its turbocharged EcoBoost engine delivers an excellent balance of power and fuel economy, making it a practical choice for both work and everyday driving. But what really stands out is how well these trucks age. Many owners report driving their Rangers well beyond 200 seawood miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, like oil changes, brakes, and regular servicing. That kind of durability makes a huge difference when you're planning to keep a truck for years instead of replacing it every few seasons. Another reason people love the Ranger is its lower ownership cost. Maintenance is generally affordable, replacement parts are easy to find, and insurance costs are often lower than larger pickups. Whether you're towing a small camper, carrying work equipment, or simply commuting every day, the Ranger continues to prove that you don't need a massive truck to get dependable performance. It's practical, capable, and built to last. But if you think that's impressive, the next truck has spent decades earning the trust of hardworking Americans. At number 4, we have the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Few trucks have worked harder across America than the Chevrolet Silverado. From construction sites to family road trips, the Silverado has become one of the most recognizable pickups on American roads. A big reason for its reputation is Chevrolet's proven V8 engines. These engines have been refined over many years and are known for delivering both strong performance and excellent long-term reliability. It's not unusual to find Silverado owners proudly showing trucks with 250,000 or even 300 miles that are still running every single day. That kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of solid engineering, regular maintenance, and components designed to handle years of heavy use. The Silverado is also known for offering a comfortable ride without sacrificing capability. Whether you're towing a boat, hauling construction materials, or taking the family on vacation, it handles every job with confidence. Another advantage is that finding replacement parts is easy almost anywhere in North America. Because Chevrolet trucks are so common, repairs are usually straightforward, and mechanics know these trucks extremely well. That helps keep ownership costs reasonable over the long run. But despite all those strengths, there's one mid-sized truck that many mechanics consider more dependable. At number 3, it's the Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier may not receive as much attention as some American pickups, but when it comes to reliability, it's one of the biggest success stories in the truck world. Unlike many manufacturers that completely redesign their vehicles every few years, Nissan took a different approach. Instead of constantly changing everything, they spent years improving a platform that had already proven itself. The result was a truck known for simplicity, durability, and surprisingly low maintenance costs. Sometimes, simple engineering is exactly what creates long-term reliability. Owners regularly report driving their Frontiers well past 250,000 miles while spending very little on unexpected repairs. Its naturally aspirated V6 engine has earned a reputation for being dependable, and the suspension is tough enough to handle rough roads without feeling uncomfortable during everyday driving. Whether you're using it for camping, weekend adventures, hauling equipment, or commuting to work, the Frontier continues to prove itself year after year. It's also one of the best trucks for buyers who want reliability without paying premium prices. The Frontier may not always dominate headlines, but it has quietly earned the respect of truck owners across America. And now we move to the final 2 trucks on this list. Both have become legends in the pickup world, and one of them has built a reputation that few vehicles in automotive history can match. So which truck takes the number 1 spot? Coming in at number 2 is the Ford F-150. There's a reason the Ford F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades. While millions of buyers are drawn to its power, technology, and towing capability, another reason it continues to dominate the market is its proven reliability. Over the years, the F-150 has been offered with a wide range of engines, but some have built an incredible reputation for durability. The naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 in particular is known for its ability to handle years of hard work with routine maintenance. Many owners have driven their F-150s well beyond 250,000 miles, and some have even crossed the 400,000-mile mark. What makes the F-150 stand out is its versatility. It can serve as a dependable work truck during the week and a comfortable family vehicle on the weekend. Whether you're towing a trailer, hauling equipment, or taking a long road trip across the country, the F-150 is built to handle almost anything. Another major advantage is how easy it is to own. Because it's one of the most popular vehicles in America, replacement parts are available almost everywhere. Almost every repair shop is familiar with the F-150, helping keep maintenance simple and affordable. Ford has also continued improving the truck over the years with stronger frames, better corrosion protection, more efficient engines, and advanced safety features, all while maintaining the durability buyers expect. If you're looking for a truck that balances performance, comfort, capability, and long-term reliability, the Ford F-150 deserves to be near the top of any shopping list. But despite its incredible reputation, one truck has consistently earned even greater respect from owners and mechanics alike. And that's because this truck isn't just reliable. It's legendary. Number one is the Toyota Tundra. When people talk about trucks that refuse to die, one name comes up again and again: the Toyota Tundra. The Tundra has earned a reputation that's almost unmatched in the automotive world. It's not uncommon to hear stories of owners driving their Tundras for 300,000, 400,000, or even over 500,000 miles while still using the original engine and transmission. That's an incredible achievement for any vehicle, especially one that's expected to tow heavy loads, work on job sites, and handle years of daily driving. So what's the secret? Toyota has always focused on building vehicles that prioritize durability over unnecessary complexity. Instead of chasing every new trend, the company has built a reputation for using proven engineering and refining it over time. The result is a truck that's known for its dependable V8 engines, strong drivetrain, and exceptional build quality. Mechanics often praise the Tundra because major mechanical failures are relatively uncommon when the truck is maintained properly. Routine oil changes, scheduled maintenance, and basic care are often enough to keep these trucks running for decades. Another reason the Tundra stands out is its resale value. Even older models with well over 200,000 miles often sell for impressive prices because buyers know they're purchasing a truck with a proven history of reliability. While competitors may offer slightly better fuel economy or more advanced technology, the Tundra continues to win where it matters most: long-term dependability. If your goal is to buy one truck and keep it for as long as possible, the Toyota Tundra remains one of the safest choices you can make. So, here's a quick recap. At number 5, the Ford Ranger proved that a mid-sized truck can deliver impressive reliability without breaking the bank. The Chevrolet Silverado SIL 1500 showed why it's been trusted by hard-working Americans for generations. At number 3, the Nissan Frontier reminded us that simple engineering often leads to outstanding long-term durability. At number 2, the Ford F-150 earned its place with an incredible combination of capability, popularity, and proven reliability. And taking the number 1 spot is the Toyota Tundra, a truck that has become famous for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. At the end of the day, no truck is completely maintenance-free. Regular oil changes, quality parts, careful driving, and following the manufacturer's service schedule will always play a huge role in how long your truck lasts. But if you start with one of the trucks on today's list, you'll be giving yourself one of the best chances of owning a pickup that can stay on the road for many years to come. Now it's your turn. Which truck do you think is the most reliable? Do you agree that the Toyota Tundra deserves the number 1 spot, or would you put another truck at the top of the list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about the best trucks, SUVs, electric vehicles, and everything happening in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe to Stars and Speed and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.